In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the @out symbol in Outlook. This is a neat little feature that can really streamline your email interactions, especially when you want to highlight a specific person in your communications. So let's dive right in and explore the steps together. First things first, we'll start by heading over to the Outlook login page. Microsoft 365 hosts this platform, which you probably already have if you're using Outlook. Open up your web browser and navigate to Outlook by simply typing it into the search bar. Once you're on the main page, you'll find the option to log in if you're not already signed into your account. Ensure you enter your credentials accurately to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This button might appear prominently in the center or the top right corner of the web page, depending on the version and interface you're using. Click it to proceed and you'll be taken directly to your Outlook email interface. Now that you're in your mailbox, you want to direct your attention to the Mail section of Outlook. This is typically accessible from the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Click on the Mail icon or menu option, and this will open up the area where you can manage all your emails, view your inbox, sent items, drafts, and more. Next, to create a new email, you need to find the New Mail button. Typically, this feature is situated somewhere near the top of your mailbox, often marked clearly with terms like New Email or simply New. Clicking this will open up a blank email window ready for you to start crafting your message. Here comes the part where the symbol comes into play. In the body of your new email, begin by typing the @out symbol, followed directly by the name of the person you wish to mention. As you start typing, Outlook will smartly suggest contacts from your address book that match. It's a pretty intuitive feature. It makes ensuring that you're mentioning the right person quick and straightforward. When you see the correct contact appear, simply select their name. This not only highlights their name in your email, but also adds them to the recipient line automatically, ensuring they receive a copy of your message. It's a fantastic way to draw someone's attention without having to manually adjust anything, making your email communication efficient and engaging. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to effectively use the symbol in Outlook, a simple yet powerful tool to enhance how you communicate via email. Practice these steps and it will soon become second nature every time you're composing a message. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to keep mastering your tools and platforms.